Okay, we're going to be doing a problem from the Practice and Skills workbook. It's page 111, problem number 13. Write each number in scientific notation. A runner tries to keep a consistent stride length in a marathon, but the length will change during a race. A runner has a stride of 5 feet for the first half of the race and a stride length of 4.5 feet for the second half. Question on 13. A marathon is 26 miles, 385 yards long. That is about 1.4 times 10 to the 5th feet. How many feet long is a half marathon? Okay, so on this problem, let's go ahead and let's write down our number that's in scientific notation. And we want to know what it is in a half marathon. So what we're really doing is just dividing this by 2. So I'm going to divide by 2. However, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the number 2 and write it in scientific notation. So if we take that number 2, we can write that as 2 times 10 to the 0 power. Remember that 10 to the 0 is 1. 2 times 1 will get you 2. So we're going to write that underneath, right over here. So 2 times 10 to the 0. And then we're going to start off by simplifying the first factors. So I'm going to take 1.4, divide that by 2. If I go ahead and do that, I'm going to get 0.7. Okay, and then for the second one, we have the same base. They're both 10. So all we have to do is subtract the exponents. So 5 minus 0 is 5. We're going to go times 10 to the 5th. Okay, we don't have it quite in scientific notation, so we need to change this first factor by moving it over one place value. So we're going to change the problem to 7 times. And remember that if we move it over one place value, it's going to increase it, so we have to decrease the exponent. So we're going to change that 5 down to a 4. And because we are involved with the word problem, we should also take a look at what our units are. We are in feet, so we should get 7 times 10 to the 4th feet for this particular problem, and that should be the equivalent to a half